Hey traders, welcome to the BitMarkets tutorial on how to generate passive income with our Earn program. BitMarkets Earn rewards users who purchase and lock up our platform native utility token, BTMT, with guaranteed interest over time. To begin, log in to your BitMarkets account and you'll be redirected to your trading portal. To join the Earn program, purchase BTMT through your spot wallet, which securely holds all your cryptocurrencies and fiat currency on our platform. Locate the BitMarkets token, select Convert, and choose the cryptocurrency or fiat you wish to exchange for BTMT. Input the amount, click Convert Now, and you're ready. Return to the homepage to start with the Earn program. Let's take a quick look at these balances before we jump right in. The total balance shows your entire BTMT holdings, while the available balance includes pending orders. The vested amount represents BTMT bought before the exchange listing that are fully vested, meaning they're ready for trading, withdrawal, and use in the Earn program. The vesting amount covers BTMT tokens currently vesting, which will gradually become fully vested. And now, let's earn. Click on Earn to visit the webpage that presents how the Earn program works. Once you're ready, click on Start Earning. If you have vested BTMT tokens, you may transfer them to your balance by clicking on this button over here. Next, allocate the desired amount of BTMT towards the program of your choice. Currently, BitMarkets provides flexible 30-day, 60-day, and 120-day fixed Earn programs. The longer the lockup period, the greater the rewards. The 120-day program is especially lucrative, offering a 50% bonus to your margin account. Review the details and opt for auto-renewal if you choose to automatically renew the Earn program after it ends. By agreeing to the terms and conditions, click Confirm and you're all set. You can view your locked Earn and its details on the homepage of your trading portal. If you have any questions, queries, or concerns, you may contact our support team at any time. Thank you for choosing BitMarkets.